Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Well, today heading back to my local woodland, and you know, sometimes we're sort of encouraged to look behind us when we're looking for compositions in case you walk past something you haven't seen. Well, quite often when I'm watching YouTube videos from other photographers, when you see their B-roll you think, wow, there's a shot there, you didn't see it. And that happened to me. I was looking through some drone footage the other day actually from here, and I suddenly thought, well, that looks really good, that. So I'm going to head back and see if I can capture a picture. I mean, it's quite bright today, so I don't know. It's obviously not ideal conditions, but it's only 10 minutes down the road from me, so you know, I literally can pop down any time I like, really. So anyways, we're going to give it a go and have a look, see what else we can find as well. So yeah, I'll speak to you in a bit. So I've got my first composition and I'm looking at it face on, if you like. This would be the top of the tree, and it's all kind of where it's all opened out and it's like trying to grab you in. And it looks pretty good. You've obviously got the moss on the branches there, and it's all very kind of grey and sort of silvery on the bark. You've obviously got a lot of busyness around it with the bracken and the holly trees and kind of things like that. The problem I've got is, you can see just over here, the sun's shining on probably what was the tree it snapped off, and it's a bit of a distraction at the minute. So anyways, I'm going to stick a polarizer on, see if that helps. That might reduce it a bit. Yes, so this is going to be the first shot, but I've had a little walk around and I'm going to try a few different shots from different angles. So I'm probably going to just concentrate on this one tree for a while and just play around and see what else I can find. But for the first shot, I'm pretty pleased. That looks pretty good. Okay guys, so I got my second composition now, and what I've done is I've come in a bit closer, so it's almost like it's kind of trying to grab you in, and because it's quite dark, it's kind of quite eerie as well. It's obviously been here a long time. You can see where it's starting to rot away and the kind of undergrowth's kind of grown over it. But it's a lovely tree, and I mean, this would be brilliant if you had just a little bit of mist around it or something. But anyways, from what I'm capturing now, it all looks pretty good on the back of the camera. Certainly a lot to play with when I get home. But anyways, I'm going to just keep sort of moving around, see what other compositions I can get. This one is quite good, 'cause it's kind of like try to pull you in. So that's quite exciting. Okay, I've got another composition here. This is quite a nice one. She's got the branch leading from the left here, kind of leading you right into the back of the tree there. And I don't know, I guess it's quite a simple shot in the whole scale of things, but yeah, it looks quite nice. Thing is, I've just noticed the colours, the only colours I've got really are the orange of the bracken, the green of the scrub in the background, and a bit of silver on the tree. So it's not going to need a lot of bringing out the colours, if you like, because there's only 3 colours to bring out. So that'd be interesting to see how they come out. But yeah, having a really good time here at the minute, and yeah, just carry on, keep working the scene, as they say. Okay, I'm going to call it a day now. It's getting quite dark and the light's fading and it's quite overcast now. So yeah, so I've had a really good time, really nice. It's been quite nice actually, just concentrating on one composition without having to kind of scoot around to try and find different things. Just kind of focus on one thing and try different angles, different shots. And yeah, hopefully, I'm really hoping that they come out okay. And the sun went away as well, which is quite nice because I was getting a few highlights sort of scattered around. But once the sun went away, it became more moody, which was nice. So anyway, with that, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee now. I think I've got a bag of cheddars, so keep the old boiler stoked up. So yeah, I'll carry on. I'll just wander back around the woods if see anything else. But to be honest, I'm quite happy with what I've got today. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take care of yourselves. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.